How to create printables in Canva to sell on Etsy. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to open our Canva application here. And once done, sign in and go to our dashboard. So here we have customized size in the upper right hand corner of our box. So simply click on that one. All right. Now, all we need to do is to edit the width and the height, and also what kind of measurement you would be using for your design. As for me, I would like to use inches. So I have already selected on inches. And for my width and height, I will be placing it for 12 by 12 inches. And let's create our new design. Okay, once we've created a new design, it will route us to a different page. And in here, you can see a blank page. So the next thing that we need to do is to simply change the background color here. And then in the left-hand side, we can see the different color palettes that we can use for our background. So here are some solid colors that they have suggested. But as for me, I want to use a different color. So I will click on this, add a new color, and then just drag into the color that you would like to use for your background. Okay, so for example, I will be choosing this color. Now let's apply that. And after which, all we need to do is to go to our elements section. Now here we can actually look for different elements. As for me, I will be searching for a person with no face. To have more options, we can scroll to the right or simply go to graphics. Also, most of the people with no faces in here are for Canva Pro users, which I'm not. So let's click on a design that we have here. Let's have this girl instead. All right, and let's reposition it and resize it the way we want, right? Once done repositioning, add other elements that you would like to add onto your design. So let's look for a graduation hat. In today, I will be making a graduation design. So let's click on this cap and position it here on top of her head. All right. There you have it. Now, the last thing that I will be doing is to add a text. So here we can actually look for a template or text template. So for example, congratulations. I'm not really satisfied with the design, so let me start from scratch. Let's click on text and X that out. Now let's add a heading here. Let's click on add a heading. Now, all we need to do is to type in the text that we want to add into our design. So for example, congratulations. All right. Now, once done, reposition it. I will be putting it down here below. Once done repositioning, click on the text and let's edit the font style. So click on this one and it will pop out here on the left-hand side of our Canva page. So we can actually choose from different kinds of font styles. There's the carry script, the check. Okay, but as for this one, I'll be using the Vocari script. Okay, so once done, let's finalize everything here on our end first, reposition, edit, and whatnot. And if you're already satisfied with your design, let's hit on share and download the photo. Okay, and I will be saving it with PNG as suggested from Canva. So let's download that one. The next thing that we need to do is to go to our Canva homepage again. So in here, we are going to search for a frame for our printable. So here, let's search for frame. I'll be searching for mock-up frame. And let's have wall frame mock-up templates. So once you have searched on this one, it will show you a variety of choices, which template you would like to be using for your mock-up frame. So for example, I'll be using white gray minimum or minimal instead. And then we are going to customize this one. So all I need to do is to upload my Canva design a while ago. Let's delete the image first and then upload the file and simply drag it to the frame or to the square. Once done, all we need to do is to resize it. So here I am resizing already, and there you have it. All right. So let's just reposition and resize. There you have it. Now here below, we can see that there are actually text. We can actually edit that out and click on the text that we want to add instead. So I will be deleting everything in here and adding my own text. So here I will click on the text icon on the left-hand side and add a subheading. All right. So I will be typing in available for download. Now, all we need to do is to reposition it and to place it accordingly, whichever we want to. Let's resize it a bit. Okay. Now let's position it here below. All right. So click on download and simply download it or post it on your Etsy store. You can actually price it how much or however you like to. And by then, it would be available. Thank you so much for watching and hope you guys enjoyed.